Vlogs guys. Kalakatak. Ay dolo. Ganta mo sticker kag paggasolina ron. Ayas. So guys, kasama natin ngayon Tangkuloy Vlogs. Ayan guys. So nagkalituhan kami kung saan.
What's up guys? Portuguese video.
Zap, mayong hapon everyone.
Hinanap namin yung bola, yung pala nasa kanya na yung bola guys.
Oh, nandito na yun.
Nauna pala sa amin yung bola guys. Pero hindi natin alam yung mga pangalan nila. Anong pangalan mo sir? Gerald.
Warren din ako.
Warren. Leonard. Ito yung mga gwapo ng Tangkuloy Vlogs. So guys, nandito tayo sa loob ng court at magpapapawis tayo dito.
Kalag na agwa.
Gatikal naman sa guys oh.
Mario.
Mahilom guys pero gahuran. Ari, shoutout to, congratulations, na-monetize na sa guys.
Thank you so much guys sa mga followers natin. Thank you so much good. Sa mga Filipino vloggers ko, don't go soap, ma-monetize ka mo.
Pag ako inyo botohon, mangurakot ko, at least honest.
Sundan. Apa video na rin?
Ay,
Bulag le.
hi guys, this is the first 3x3 collaboration game between Sipalay Vloggers and Tangkuloy Vlogs. So ang mag-player ng Sipalay Vloggers ngayon sa 3x3 ako, si Van, at saka si Is guys. Tapos sa Tangkuloy naman si Jordan Pool, Gerald, si Warren.
First ball position goes to Sipalay Vloggers. Here comes Manaloto, pass to Pan. Back to Manaloto. Manaloto now trying to penetrate from good defense. Manaloto passable to Bautista. Bautista now jumper. No. Rebounded by Manaloto. Manaloto now reverse. Bumangga lang sa board. Here comes Jonas. Passable to his teammate now. 2 steps. Lays up. Good for 1. Unang puntos. Here comes Manaloto. Passable to Van. Van now. Passable to his teammate on the under. Bumangga na naman sa ilalim. Nakuha ng kalaban, possible to Jonas on the side. Yes sir, 2 by nothing. Here comes Bautista. Yes sir, first score. Here comes Jonas. Counted in, nakaganti agad. Here comes number 16 now, Mahilo now. Dribbling the ball, what a good trim skills by Mahilom. Looking for the man, possible to his teammate now. Joris, magic shot, no. Rebounded by the opponent. Here comes possible to number 13 now, dribbling the ball, possible to his teammate. No, rebounded by Joris. Joris now, magic pass to Manaloto. Manaloto now dribbling the ball, biglang bumilis ang galaw, lumipad, wala pa rin. Rebounded by Manaloto, penetrate on the under, good for 2, lumalaban sa ilalim. Here comes number 13, possible to Jordan Poole. Pull up a 3, swak na swak. Good for 2 yon. Manaloto now, dribbling the ball, 2 steps, wala pa rin. Rebounded by Jonas. Jonas now dribbling the ball, magic pass to his teammate now on the side, good for 1. 6 by 2 ang score. Manaloto now passable to Joris sa ilalim, reverse, no. Rebounded by Jonas. Jonas now dribbling the ball, pinasa sa likod, nakuha ni Manaloto. Manaloto now jumper, good for 2. 1 pala. Nakaganti agad si Jonas. Here comes Manaloto. 3 by 8 ang score, 5-point lead. Biglang pass sa ilalim. Joris na naman. Wala. Rebound by Jonas. Sayang yon. Jonas now. Pinapakitaan ng magandang dribble si Manaloto. Patalang pagid. 2 steps. Possible to his teammate. Intercept pala. Here comes Joris now. Joris dribbling the ball. Pasa kay Van. Out of bounds. Bola ngayon ng kalaban. Here comes Jonas. Nag-travel si Jonas. Manaloto now. Manaloto dribbling the ball, showing off his good room skills with a faking. Manaloto now dribbling the ball. Sumalaksak. No. Who got the ball? Manaloto pass the ball to Van. To his teammate now, Joris. Wala pa rin. Rebounded by number 13. Ang ganda sana ng pasahan. Number 13, pull up a 3. Yes sir. Score 10 by 3. Here comes Manaloto. Passable to his teammate now. A triangle pass. Wala. Kuha ng kalaban. Jonas for 3. Pumasok na naman. 12 by 3 ang score. Ang laki na ng lamang. Pinasa kay Manaloto. Manaloto now. Magic pass sana pero nakakuha ng kalaban. Jonas. Fire 2. No. Rebound by Fighter. Rebound. Nakuha ni Vance. Vance now passable to Joris. Joris dribbling the ball. Lumipad si Joris. Good for 2. Gaganti ang kalaban. Dribbling the ball. Passable to jersey number 13. Biglang pass sa ilalim. Jonas now. Attack on the under. Good for 2. 13 by 4. Here comes jersey number 6 now. Manaloto. Crossing over. Biglang pasa. Naagaw ni Jonas ang bola. Nabalik kay Van. Van now passable to Manaloto. Pull up. No. Rebounded by who got the ball. Manaloto spin move. Biglang pass sa ilalim. Mawas po. Nakuha ngayon mga kapatid. Jersey number 13 now. Jersey number 13 passable to his teammate. Pull up. No good. A fight for the rebound. Nakuha ni Manaloto ang bola. Manaloto now. Magic pass to his teammate now on the under. Here comes Van. Back to Manaloto with a jumper. No. Rebounded by who got the ball. That was Jonas. Jonas now. For 3. Wala pa rin. Rebounded. Who got the ball? Tangkuloy Vlogs. Pinas sa ilalim. Jonas. Jonas again. Good for 1 by Jonas. Score 14 by 4. 10 ang lamang. Manaloto. Manaloto now. Passable to Van. Van. Lapaw ang pasa. Jonas. Pull up again. No. Rebounded by Van. Van now. Passable to Manaloto. Magic pass. Replay pa. With attack. Good for 1. Nice play yun. Sumalaksak sa ilalim. Nakaganti ka agad. Manaloto. Manaloto now. Faking. Stop and passable to Joris on the under. Yes sir. Number 13 now. Attack. Nakaganti. Manaloto planning for the attack. Faking. Another one. Gipatalang na kontra. Sumalaksak sa ilalim. Pinasa kay Van. Pinasa kay Joris. Nice play. Pinasa sa ilalim. Manaloto now. Passable to Van. 7 by 17 ang score. Back to Manaloto. Sa ilalim. Reverse. Wala. Rebounded by the opponent. Number 13 now. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 13. Back pass to his teammate now. Jonas. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Wala pa rin. Jonas for the rebound. Jonas now dribbling the ball. Magic pass to his teammate. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Swak na naman. Gaganti si Van. Van mahilom now dribbling the ball. Showing up his good dribbling skills. Lays up. No. No again. Rebounded by the opponent. Passable to jersey number 13 again. The playmaker of their team. Number 13 now. 2 steps. Lays up. Swak na swak. Manaloto to Mahilom. Mahilom faking. Mahilom. Scissor step by Mahilom. Mahilom now. 2 steps. Yes sirree. Jordan Poole. Biglang pass sa ilalim. Swak na swak.
Guys, talo kami. Panalo ang Tangkuloy. Tangkuloy Vlogs. Ngagor Tangkuloy nila pangalan. thank you gid ah. Natagaan ta namo pantugong no. Sige, sige.
Good, sir.
Halo ka mo.
Uwi na tayo guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo ng ating vlog ngayon. So follow nyo ang ating Facebook page and also subscribe nyo ang ating YouTube channel. Again, shoutouts sa ating mga nakasama kanina. Bye bye, peace out.